Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read ya or hachi in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means 8. It has 2 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like hachi. On its own, it is usually ya. 2 strokes opening outward like a fan, splitting into pairs. Now let's write it. 2 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Hachigatsu, hachigatsu means August. Yattsu, yattsu means 8 things. And hachiji means 8 o'clock. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Mu read hairu, enter. Jing read hito, person. So that's ha, 8. 2 strokes, read ya or hachi. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.